Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, welcome all of you. Today we are going to start English grade 8 and BLIFT 1. So, first of all, let's see what is BLIFT 1. Understand the difference between singular and plural, countable and uncountable noun. Basically, this BLIFT is about countable and uncountable nouns. Now, dear students, this is your bridging before you. I hope you have done with the help of your teachers. This is the bridging. Now, move to the next stage. Dear learners, the main thing is focus. We have reached at focus. Look at this, countable and uncountable. There are two types of nouns, that is countable and uncountable. The things which we can count are called countable. Things we cannot count individually are called what? Uncountable nouns. These are the examples you can look at very clearly. Now, countable nouns having singular and plural forms. It means a book or two books. So we can say that countable nouns can have both forms, singular and plural. And there is one thing more. We can use a or an with countable nouns, like a student, many students. And if we want to identify countable nouns, we can ask a question and we can easily understand what are countable nouns. Now, uncountable nouns usually do not have plural forms. Uncountable nouns do not have plural forms. And if we want to show their quantity, we have to use some quantity words like some, much, a lot of. And in the same way, if we want to identify uncountable nouns, we can identify by asking a question, how much? How much? The answer of how much is some, much, a lot of. These are called quantity words. We can use quantity words before the uncountable nouns. Now, let's see. This is very interesting case, counting the uncountable. A thing that is uncountable, how we can count them. For this purpose, we measures uncountable nouns use containers. If we want to measure uncountable nouns, we use containers for this purpose. This is the container, right? A slice is not a container, but we can use some proper things before it. Now, look at this. If we want to say coffee and want to measure it, we can't say coffees, but we can say a cup of coffees and a slice of bread in the same way. So this is the way we can count the uncountable. Look at this. This is also very important part. We must avoid to do some common mistakes using plural with uncountable nouns. Yes, we use some quantity words with uncountable nouns like some or two, right? Using numbers with uncountable nouns. It means that we can use quantity words with uncountable nouns and we can use numbers as well with uncountable nouns. So let's see. There is another exception. This is very interesting fact. There is exception. These are called special plural nouns like police, clothes, trousers, scissors, right? These are special plural nouns. We can't say a scissor. We have to say a pair of scissors because this is special plural noun. And the police is also a case. This is a plural noun and always take plural verb with it. This is the exception case. Now, dear student, after discussing and understanding all these things, we are at the stage of the recapitulating of the whole lecture. Look at this, countable nouns and uncountable nouns. You know, countable noun can be counted and we can judge by how many. Yes, we can use a or an with them, and these are the examples. On the other hand, uncountable nouns can't be counted and we can identify with the question how much. Usually no, we usually no use of some, much, a lot of. And examples are what? water, milk, and information. So this is all about, dear students, of this topic. So I hope you will do formative check with your teachers, and after that you have to do some activity in the classwork form, and after that you have to thrive in the form of homework. This is must and necessary for your thriving. Yes, this is all about. So I would like to say thank you so much at the end of this lecture. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.